time we are going to learn a new poem, that is the Rainbow Fairies. Okay? Students, do you know what is mean by rainbow? How it looks? I know all you enjoy the beauty of rainbow when a rainy season. Okay? And in this poem we are going to learn about the rainbow fairies. Okay? So students, open your textbook, English textbook on page number 66. First I will read the poem and then explain you. Okay? Listen carefully. Okay? See. The rainbow fairies. Two little clouds, one summer's day, went flying through the sky. They went so fast, they bumped their heads and both began to cry. Old father son looked out and said, "Oh, never mind, my dears. I will send my little fairy folk to dry your falling tears." See the next page. One fairy came in violet and one on indigo, in blue, green, yellow, orange, red. They made a pretty row. They wiped the clouds' tear all away, and then from out the sky, upon a line the sunbeams made. They hung their gowns to dry. Okay, students? Isn't it a very interesting story of the poem? Means in this poem what we understood? Here are two clouds went up very fast in summer day. And what happened? Suppose students, you are running in your house very fast or on ground. What happened? You and your friend may be bumped. Bumped means joined or hit or got accident. Okay? What happened? Both you got accident. Okay? And what will you do when you got accident? Of course, you start crying. Yes, no? Like you, the both clouds also start crying. Okay? This and this cloud got accident and so they start crying. Clouds are crying means what, students? It starts raining. Understood? Okay. Now, what happened? All these situations saw by the sun. Old sun. Here it mentioned old sun. Okay? And like your father, like your grandfather, grandmother, grandfather told you that don't cry beta, I will give you chocolate, I will give you gift, like that. That old sun said to both these clouds, what he said? Never cry my dears. I will send fairy folk to wipe your tears. Okay? Fairy folks means what beta? Fairy means a angel. Okay? And that sun said fairies to wipe the tears of both crying clouds. Okay? See the third stanza. One fairy came in violet. Violet is a name of color. Okay? And or indigo. And second fairy come in indigo color dress. Okay? Third one came in blue color dress. Fourth came in green. Fifth came in yellow. Sixth fairy came in orange color dress. And seventh fairy came in red color dress. And all the fairies wiped the tears of clouds. So what happened? All the dress, all fairies' dresses got wet. Okay, so all the fairies changed their dress and put all the gowns for drying. Okay, students, here is one activity for you. Here are some color names: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. You have to find its meaning in Marathi and you have to draw the picture of rainbow using this color in your notebook. Understood? Student, आपको क्या करना है? जो ये 7 कलर है उसके मराठी में नाम ढूंढने हैं. एट द सेम टाइम आपको क्या करना है? रेनबो का पिक्चर आपको आपके नोटबुक में ड्रॉ करना है और ये कलर उसमें भरने हैं. ओके, सी द लास्ट स्टैंजा. The clouds tears all away, and they from out the sky. Upon a line the sunbeams made, they hung their gowns to dry. Okay, in the last stanza, all the fairies wiped the tears of the clouds and hang their gowns for drying. Understood? In short, I will explain you the theme of this poem is two clouds went up very fast. So both got an accident. What happened? So they start crying. So old sun said 7 fairies in 7 colors to wipe the tears of the cloud. And what happened? That fairies wiped the tears of clouds, and because of that the gowns became wet. So they hang in one line for drying. Understood? Okay students, which activity I give you, you have to complete that. Okay, thank you.